Hi guys, welcome back to my first vlog in Rovaniemi, here on this trip at least. I've actually been here 2 weeks now. I'm only just getting around to making my first vlog. Oh, it's a bit underexposed there. I've got a day off from work, so I'm going to go into the centre of town and I'm going for a 1-day pass at a gym, see what it's like, because I can't sign up for a cheaper one until I've got a personal identity code, which I'll get once my tax card is sorted. So the only one I can go to is this one, and I don't want to pay for a membership there because it's not the one I want to go to long term. But let's go and check out this Nautilus gym. It's a chain. I've got one in Rovaniemi, about a 10-minute walk from where the bus will drop me off. I've also got to go to 2 tourism offices to have a couple of meetings about doing photography and video work for them. So yeah, let's head into Rovaniemi, let's take a few street photos, a bit of photography, explore a bit and see what a FINNISH gym is like. So I'm here in the centre of Rovaniemi now. I got the bus route 8 into town and I've just gone for a meeting with one of those companies like I said, so it looks like I might be able to do some work for them over the winter, video work. I'm just walking down to the river now, just get a couple of photos, show you it. Just down the back, down here, and then I'll walk along beside it to get to the office of another company which I'm also going to speak to. I'm going to have meetings with 2 companies today. Then I'll head up to the gym, but for once I'm really cold. Like recently I've been fine wearing a hoodie and a jumper and it's the same temperature today but it's feeling a lot colder. Anyway, the river is down over here, not frozen yet. I'll just get down to it and I can show you some pictures of it. Here we are, Rovaniemi River, well, Kemi River, Kemijoki I believe it's called. Not frozen yet, it should probably be frozen by Christmas. You can already kind of see here, it's frozen at the edge. You can also see like ice floats flowing with the stream of the river down in the middle. So it is beginning to freeze, it's just not frozen. And obviously I've never been here for a prolonged period of time to know how quickly it freezes, but it's going to be interesting watching it throughout the season. And look how beautiful that is this morning, that scenery. Railway bridge over there. Famous Rovaniemi bridge over there. Let's get some photos. You can even hear the ice scraping along the other ice. Don't know if you hear that, I don't have a microphone on my camera. It's quite loud right now. You can hear that it's starting to freeze. Another day here and I've just woken up. This is the sauna by the way, but look outside. It's been snowing all night and I'll switch the view out the back window as well, which is even better in the moment, but we have a lot of snow now and it's still snowing now and it's going to snow for the next week as well. I am outside the tax office now, where I've just been to get my tax card sorted. That's all sorted now, but I've got a nice Christmas tree up there. Hopefully I get some good bokeh on this shot. Bokeh, however you want to say it. Yeah, it is very snowy today. Tripping over literally in the snow as I'm talking about it. And it's supposed to snow for the next 5 days straight or so, so it is Wednesday now, all the way up to, well, Saturday's supposed to be clear, but then I think Sunday and Monday we get a bit more snow, and then next week it clears up a bit more. So I wonder how deep this will get by this time next week. It's still snowing right now as I'm talking, and I want to walk down to the river now and see how much it is frozen since last week when I last spoke to you in this vlog. So I'm going to walk down there, get a couple shots there, and then I am going to go for my first haircut outside the UK. I'm going to find a barber's in Rovaniemi and sort out my hair, skin fade, and my beard, which is getting a bit long. Yeah, look at this. So much different to the last time I was filming here. One night of snow. Yesterday it was very horrible with snow because it was getting warmer, it was all kind of melting, turning into ice and sludge and turning all brown. And then one night of heavy snow, and it looks better than it has done since I got here. Mad. Also, over here, somewhere in the distance beyond that tree, there we go. That's Rovaniemi Church. Really pretty. Soon, well, one day I'll go over there and get some photos of it up close. Yeah, I might get one with these leaves out of focus now, actually. I've actually got to be careful because my camera's getting quite wet right now, but I'm by the river. Freeze up a bit down there. Still got a long way to go, obviously. With all the snow, it kind of becomes like very misty and foggy, and I really like that, like, wildernessy look, the feeling of exposed to the elements that you can get in photos when you're in this kind of landscape. That's kind of why I like the Arctic. When it's a clear day, it can be pretty, yes, but you don't get the same kind of feeling of being small in a very big place as you do when most of the landscape is covered in this way, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I'm really happy that I can get these kind of very moody photos right now of the bridge with the fog around it, rather than just sun shining on it, which you can see anywhere in the world, and obviously all the snow, the entire white blanket on the other side of the river. Don't know how many photos I'll be able to take before my camera gets soaked, but yeah, let's get to it.